Introducing the 2023 Skoda Karoq STY 2.0 TDI with 115 horsepower. This stylish 5-door estate offers sleek design and impressive performance. With only 54,600 kilometers on the clock, this grey beauty is fuel efficient and equipped with a range of luxurious comfort features, including ambient lighting, satellite navigation, and wireless charging. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. The Skoda Karoq also boasts exterior enhancements such as privacy glass, roof rails, and a spoiler. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this exceptional offer. Contact us today or visit our website mullingautos.ie for more information on how you can drive away in this stunning Skoda Karoq.